Hello friends, today we'll be making 2 ingredients oats cookies. Believe me, these are the easiest cookies in the world. You simply need 2 ingredients to make these vegan cookies. These are gluten-free, oil-free as well as sugar-free. This recipe has been requested by one of our viewer, Poonam Lokesh Chaudhary. So Poonam, do check out the recipe.
What we need is one large ripe banana. The banana should have black spots on top of it, which means that the banana is absolutely ripe. It will make your cookies even more sweeter.
What we need to do is that we'll take a bowl into which we'll add banana. Now mash banana using a fork. Mash it very well till we get a watery kind of consistency. After mashing, we'll add 3/4 cup of oats. We will mix both banana and oats very well. These are the healthiest cookies you can make. We have not added sugar, oil, butter, anything else. Banana gives the right amount of sweetness to these cookies. Even these cookies are gluten-free. We have not added any flours. After mixing, we'll allow it to rest for 5 minutes so that the oats soften up. It's been 5 minutes. Now into the prepared mixture, I'm adding these blueberries. Along with it, I'm also adding a pinch of cinnamon powder. However, both these ingredients are completely optional. You can make plain oats cookies as well. I'm adding these to add to the flavor. You can even add choco chips or any other nuts of your choice. So mix it very well. Ensure not to add too many berries into the mixture because your cookies will break then. And our mixture for cookies is ready. I will be baking these cookies in my air fryer. So I've already lined my air fryer basket. You can also line your dish in which you want to bake your cookies. Then what we'll do is we'll scoop out a small portion of this cookie material and we'll roll it out. We'll gently flatten it up and roll out the shape of cookies. In this manner, we'll prepare all the cookies. We'll place it in my air fryer basket. Likewise, we'll prepare all the cookies giving a slight cookie shape. However, you can directly scoop out the material in the basket as well and then you can just shape it. While placing the cookies, leave little space in between two cookies. Let's place our cookies in our preheated air fryer. Then we need to bake our cookies at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. We need to bake these cookies until the cookies are firm to touch. You can even bake these cookies in an oven. For that, you need to bake it at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Alternatively, you can also make these cookies in a microwave. Simply keep it for 1.5 minutes and your cookies will be done. Here are my oats cookies ready to serve. After baking, cool it down completely and then you can store these cookies in an airtight container. These are very healthy cookies. You can have it in your breakfast with a glass of milk. It will keep you full for a longer period of time. So healthy cookies, guilt-free cookies, no egg, no sugar, no oil. So enjoy making these simple cookies and let me know how does it turn out for you. I hope you liked today's video. Please do share our videos with your friends and family and subscribe to Healthy Karai for more such interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.